Most people think the Dave app limit is fixed and random, but that's not the truth. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming there is no way to increase it. Because in reality, your limit is based on your activity, and if you know what the app is looking for, you can improve it over time. Here's the truth no one tells you. The Dave app does not increase limits just because you ask. It increases them when it sees consistent income, stable spending behavior, and reliable account activity. In this video you will learn exactly how to improve your chances of getting a higher cash advance limit in 2026, step by step, using simple actions that actually work. Let's start with the basics. Your limit is mainly influenced by your linked bank account activity. So if your income looks unstable or your deposits are irregular, the system becomes cautious. For example, if Alex gets paid weekly through direct deposit, he's more likely to get a higher limit than Jake, who has random deposits and cash income that is not trackable. Now here's where it gets interesting. One of the fastest ways to improve your limit is to keep your primary bank account consistently connected and active. That means no frequent disconnecting, no switching accounts, and no gaps in transaction history. The app rewards stability. Next, you want to focus on direct deposits. If you can route even a small portion of your income through direct deposit, it signals reliability. But here's the problem most people face. They use multiple income sources that never pass through a bank, and then wonder why their limit stays low. Another key factor is usage behavior. If you only open the app when you need money, the system reads that as low engagement. Instead, open the app regularly, track your balance, and use the budgeting tools. This creates activity signals that can gradually improve your limit. Now here's a simple trick many users overlook. Keep your account balance from going negative frequently. Too many overdrafts or unstable balances can reduce your trust score inside the system. In a minute, here's the biggest takeaway. There is no instant button to raise your Dave limit. It is a gradual process built on financial consistency, account stability, and smart usage habits. So if you want a higher limit in 2026, focus on steady income tracking, regular app usage, and clean banking behavior. Over time, the system adjusts automatically. To wrap it up, your Dave app limit is not random. It is earned through patterns. Stay consistent, stay active, and keep your finances stable. If you found this helpful, like the video, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more simple money tips that actually work.